and this is the one I've done today. Well, or the wall, red difficult, 1.5 to 3 hours, 520 metres of climbing, 23 kilometres.
Is it the way?
And you get the train to Afan. That's the River Taff. So we're pretty near the station now. Ticket office. Just waiting for the 10 o'clock. I'm sure this is the right train, might be a little bit early. Pretty windy today, but it's great to be on a cycle path rather than having to ride up on the road. What you want is to look for this sign, Pont Drivetrain, half a mile, 3 minutes, viaduct. So at Riesling car park now, on the wall. Whoop! I mean, look at the beautiful trees up there. You can see the remnants of a railway bridge there. This goes all the way up to Glencorrug. So yeah, there would have been coal, quarry stone, you name it, coming down there. A lot of this old man's beard. Talking about this thing, but this stuff here. Oh wow. Here we go. Start of Rue Cragan. Lovely time. To the 52nd. Beautiful views. My favourite rock. Nice little breather. I'm not going to try and keep up with those young XC riders. I wouldn't stand a chance. Let's have a look now. Not sure. Pretty close. Grubs. The tramway. Sketchy because they're so dry. I'm going to be mindful of that. Here's the drop. Seems to be more descending feel to it. This is another descent of tramway. Kept this cut back, so that's great. Very chunky rock. thought that can sniper wheel. Get over the back wheel a bit more over the saddle. Make sure that I don't go over the bars. We'll be coming to land. Right. Starts off with this little rooty, rocky climb. Whew. Oh, it's so dry. Whew. Ooh. I'm in trail mode just to give me a bit more platform, and that feels great in this. There's going to be a little bit of a kind of an XC climb through the woods now. I've got to set my bike up into the XC geometry using the Ride 9 system on the Rocky Mountain that I'm on. I was a bit afraid, you know, to get the Allen keys out and start fiddling about because it was in the neutral position when I bought the bike. But then comparing it to the slacked out position, it was just nah. Definitely going to go with a lower bottom bracket. A little bit of a climb to start with, but at least it's in the shade. That's so much better in the trees, in the shade. Beautiful breeze blowing through. Let's get on to the descent. Here we go. Let's open the shock and the fork for this bit. I think we've got the camera in the right position. Starts off a bit slow. Start flying in about 30 seconds. I brought 2.5 litres with me today. Half of that is squash made up with Himalayan salt, as opposed to using the electrolyte tablets. But it seems to be alright, I don't know. But yeah, I do need to get some more electrolyte tablets. This is where it starts going fast. Make sure the saddle is down, which it is. Oh, yes, bit of a hit there. A lot of braking bumps. Really got to muscle the bike around there. And then it picks up speed again. Coming up to the switchback up here. Just feathering front brake. I'm not going to try and maintain my speed around it. Braking already. Woo! Crikey. Got a bit around the world then. Just feathering by here. Don't know where we'll do it. Second switch back. Very dry. Drop here. Another drop. Whoop! Got a branch touch my shoulder there. heard some branches cracking in this wind. It's breezy, but it's bordering on windy as well. Right here. There we go. Fab. Okay. So this is graveyard. It's picking up here. Oh, I can feel my bike being moved then. I'm going to have to take this steady. It's really windy. Blustery. Probably hear it through the mic. Okay. Skating. Gives me the traction, I hope. Yeah. A nice technical pieces. There is a technical piece coming up. Like maybe I should give it a go. Oh, come on. Sorry, but it's tricky getting over that first bit. But the reason why I decided to do that is because it's dry. That's when the adrenaline kicks in, isn't it? When you try challenging yourself. Push. Oh my god, they really changed the air. What the hell? Oh mate. This is big stuff. There's no way I'm doing this. Severe trail. I ain't doing that one. Zigzags is more at my streets with it being a red. And it's very windy, you know. I wouldn't want to do jumping in this wind. Got my helmet on as tight as I can. And just making sure it's not just going to be pointing down at the floor. If you don't mind, I'm just going to check about it. I'm hopeless with this camera position thing. Feel my helmet moving around a bit, so I do apologise if it's wobbly. Oh, to jump over those roots now. So I've got foam in both wheels now. That foam, that builder's foam, along with sealant. No inner tube, obviously. So, oh, got some air then. I can definitely feel the benefit of it already. It's pretty jagged rock stuff here. And it goes to the left. I don't like these cheat lines. There we go. It's fairly flat along this bit, so I'll wait until it gets more rowdy. I'll come back to you in a minute. Right. Oh, the wind is blowing horrendously by here. Woo. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to be careful on this descent because it's completely exposed. That wind literally pushing me and the bike. There are a couple of drops. feel my helmet moving around a little bit. I'm just going to stop by here. Coming down at you on this descent, so you can't record a decent image of it really, because that's just going to be, I'm going to have to point the camera down a bit more, I think. This chest mount again. Beautiful views up here, but it is extremely windy. Bit of a shame. Drop there. Another drop here. Lovely. Quite chunky. Drop. Another drop. This used to be a big drop. Not anymore. Big drop. The wind is definitely moving my bike and me around, that's for sure. Another drop here. Gotta get right off the back of the bike for that one. Pretty nasty, that drop. The angle of it really. I'm back into the trees now like it used to be. Great. How it used to be. Bit through memory lane. So good that they've kept this bit with the trees. Quite a few deciduous trees around here, so maybe that's why they kept it. Protected trees. There's still a bit of larch here. Seems to be clinging on to life, even though it's showing signs of contagion from the P. ramarum, Phytophthora ramarum pathogen. Whew. Off with the chin guard. Put it on the back now. Put it on there, and let's ride down and get the trains back to Cardiff. Got little holes in the palms. It's getting that air into the hands.
Turn me till the message plays. Starless and Bible black, the cobbled streets silent and the hunched quarters and rabbits wood limping invisible down to the slow black, crow black fishing boat bobbing sea.
Oh, it's Richard Burton.
Houses of blind
Under Milk Wood, written by Dylan Thomas and narrated there by Richard Burton. Fishing boat bobbing sea. These were as blind as moles. Oh, so good, so good. Ooh, I just completely bunny hopped over a curb. I'm getting better at this bunny hopping. I have to come to the station there. Well, just 30 kilometres. Central 1433.